Welcome to Amudhakumar's online digital marketing course. Join us for comprehensive social media marketing training covering key topics. 1. Introduction to social media marketing. Understand its importance, brand awareness, and business growth. 2. Social media strategy development. Align strategies with business goals and target audience. 3. Social media platforms overview. Explore major platforms, their features, and advertising options. 4. Content creation and curation. Learn to create engaging and shareable content. 5. Social media advertising. Master advertising fundamentals and optimize campaigns. 6. Audience targeting and segmentation. Identify target audience and create tailored content. 7. Social media community management. Build and engage online communities effectively. 8. Influencer marketing. Collaborate with influencers to expand brand reach. 9. Social media analytics and insights. Track key metrics for performance measurement. 10. Social media listening and monitoring. Gather insights. Manage brand mentions and reputation. 11. Social media contest and campaigns. Increase brand visibility and generate leads. 12. Social media for customer service. Utilize platforms for efficient customer support. 13. Social media and influencer crisis management. Handle crises and protect brand reputation. 14. Social media trends and emerging technologies. Stay updated with the latest trends. 15. Performance tracking and reporting. Analyze performance and optimize future campaigns. To read the complete article and apply for the course, click the link in the description.